Exercise 6. What's your last name? Listen to the conversations and complete the information about each person.
1. Linda, this is Marty. He is from Canada.
Nice to meet you. I'm Linda Mandel. I come from Brazil.
Oh, hello. And what's your last name again?
Mandel. M-A-N-D-E-L.
What do you study here, Linda?
I study business.
2. Hi, I'm Joseph Block from Finland. Please call me Joe.
Hello, Joe. What's your last name again?
It's Block. B-L-O-C-K.
What are you studying now?
Engineering.
Oh, engineering. That sounds interesting.
3. Okay, Ms. McLean. Let me just check this information. Is your first name spelt E-L-L-E-N?
No, my first name is Elena. It's spelled E-L-E-N-A.
Okay, thanks. And you are from Brazil, correct?
No, I'm not from Brazil. I'm from Mexico.
Oh, sorry. Mexico. But you are studying English, right?
Yes, that's right.